Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we're going to pick up where we left off in my last video. But before we do that, I'd like to show you something. I met a guy named John Cotter, and he lives in Pennsylvania, and he is a member of the Fishing Creek Sportsmen's Association. And now it's anyway. So what he did, they got an idea. Take this thing, put it on your wading belt, and it's a litter creel. So as you go and you find trash on the ground, which you find everywhere because people are idiots and jerks, I just put stuff in there. Here, I'll show you a few clips of me doing it. Now I have no idea what someone with this, somebody must have glued these on a pair of tennis shoes and tried to use it for wading boots. I don't know. Anyway, if I haven't already, I'll talk about this. Good buddy of mine named John Cotter, who lives in Pennsylvania. He's a member of Fishing Creek Sportsman Association. And he gave me this. He told me about that. See, just go out of the way. All right, there's trash. Out of the way. I hope y'all can. I put my. Anyway, works perfect. Absolutely perfect. And so as I go, what I'm going to do is see trash. I can pack it out. Okay, I will pick up this. This has been in the water for a long time. Someone's I just clean up as I go. Should I have to clean it up? No, and I don't have to clean it up. And I'm going to. John, good idea, buddy. Excellent idea. Hope that makes sense. And go to your next TU meeting, our Federation of Fly Fishermen, and go to the leadership and say, hey, look what these guys are doing. Look what these guys are doing, and like, let's get them for everybody. And everybody, when you go out, pick up something. Anyway, let's go fishing. See you in the river. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna pick off where I left at my last. I had never fished all the way up this creek very far, so I'm gonna explore some new water. So come along, join me. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna fish this pool and then start going up. I've never been up there. Post-frontal conditions. We had a thunderstorm this morning, came through, and then the temp dropped about almost 15 degrees. And we got, yeah, it's not a completely clear skies, but it is a blue, very blue. These fish might not bite at all. I was tempted to go to the main river, the big river, but I know what post-frontal does to those fish. You just forget it. Stay home and play video games, or go play golf, and they might not bite at all. But a fish in these smaller creeks, they are not as badly affected. But I mean, it can still, it just mess them up. Now I went over that limb. There we go. Ain't happening. Not happening. Maybe some of the smaller pools. I definitely found the swimming hole. Golly. Look at that waterfall. Right, we'll look at that in a minute. But, oh man, this is a hole. Water is just a touch dingy. I did it. Dang it, I'll do it every time. Managed to get it out. That was not due to any skill on my part. Oh, here it goes. There we go. Come here, buddy. We got a little rainbow here. Alright, this is not what I expect, this creek. Nice little bow. I mean, you can jump across this thing in places. Well, at least not all the fish are in, what would you call it, on strike. I only got about 3 hours to fish, if that much. I've had a real busy full plate lately. I was in the car for 8 hours yesterday, and that jacked up all the stuff I needed to do, like this right here. That same, this is his cousin. Oh, twin brother. Might be. I can't get it. It's bigger. Oh, nice. Hey, they're getting bigger. Doesn't always happen. That was nice. That fish was right at 9 or 10. Oh, because, oh man, I missed him. It landed, it sunk. Oh, he come up, refused it, came up, refused it, came up, and refused it. Bigger! I'll be dang! It's actually bigger. They're getting bigger. Woo-hoo. Okay, Derek. That will work. Oh man, heck yeah. Woo. That's cool. This little creek has got some fish in it. Oh crap, man, I ain't doing that. And he's climbing a stairway to heaven. And singing off key while he does it. Not bad. Somebody missed a line. Hey. Put it in a little pouch. Take it with me. A little bit less pollution and trash. And there we go again. Ah. This is a group camp area. You can reserve it for like your whole crowd, which is really cool. A little smaller. Take about 3 of him. Equal that last one. That's okay. Looks to me like we're all bows in here. Now come over here. It doesn't get old. Does not get old. Yeah, he came up and sipped it too. All of them are just coming up and just kind of sipping it. They're not super aggressive right now. Okay, I'm back to my usual. First micro of the day. It's not bad. We put the log in the wrong place. Happens a lot. I had to have been one there. A big one. What do we have here? We got old brook trout. Oh, a little bitty brook trout. Wow. You guys have a great time. Small creek. It just lost a significant tributary. So, I don't know. I'm gonna go up a little bit, see if I can find a big hole. If I can't, I think I'll go down to the main river. That's tight. Well, here we go again. I'm gonna fill this thing up, man. I did not want to do that. At this point, some of y'all know exactly where I am. Don't say it in the comments. I hope this ain't a jellyfish. There we go. Okay, well, not quite the size I'm looking for, but where'd you go? There you go. What do we have here? A little brown. Hey, we've done a slam today. Brooks, bows, and now brown trout. All right, we're about 3 more inches on you, buddy, and we'll talk again. What the heck? I just lost my fly. There it is, right there. Something, that's been a real rough edge of wood. You know what? That's it. I'm going home. I'm on my way. Set me free. Home sweet home. Ta-da. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Parkour skills. Oh man, great. That's not gonna work. Oh man. Okay. I don't think there's a good way. Story of my life. That'll work. I think I can do that. Ride 'em, cowboy. That'll do it. Yeah, that's great. Well, I better get the litter bag out. No. Man's got to know his limitations.